You will need 1.5 pounds of your preferred ground meat blend, a mix of ground beef, pork, or veal. Now use 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic, all finely chopped for that delightful aromatic essence. Breadcrumbs are next, with a measurement of 1 cup. Eggs are also crucial, acting as a binder. You'll need 2 large ones to keep our meatloaf intact. Now for a bit of tang, incorporate a 1/4 cup of ketchup or tomato paste and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper, along with a mix of herbs like thyme or parsley, all to your taste, will enliven your meatloaf. Now that we've got our meatloaf ingredients sorted out, let's transition to our onion gravy. Start with 2 large onions, thinly sliced and slowly cooked until caramelized. Beef broth forms the gravy base, and you'll need 2 cups of it, with 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch to thicken it to the perfect consistency. And to sauté the onions and create a roux if using flour, a dash of butter or oil is all you need. With our ingredients ready, it's time to get cooking. Combine the ground meat with onions, garlic, breadcrumbs, eggs, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and seasonings. Mix well, but remember, overmixing is the enemy of a tender texture. Shape the mixture into a loaf and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees until the meatloaf is cooked through. While your meatloaf bakes to perfection, prepare the onion gravy. Cook onions in butter or oil until golden and softened. Sprinkle flour over the onions to form a roux. Cook for a minute, then slowly add beef broth, stirring continuously until the gravy thickens. Season to taste and voila! Serve the meatloaf sliced with a generous helping of onion gravy on top. Classic sides like mashed potatoes, green beans, or a simple coleslaw can accompany this masterpiece. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.